ZBro's channel. Sorry for bad quality, it's just a kind of rushed video, but I promise it will improve. I'm currently with Brad, and yeah, I'm going to be playing the first game on the Blizzard, I think it's called, yeah, Inazuma 11-2 Blizzard, I think it is. Yeah, so I'm about to get into the first match of the game. So, yeah, I'm just going to like skip, well, try and get through this as quick as I can. Okay, the match is about to start, I think, so. Okay.
So let's begin.
I can see myself in the camera now.
Yeah.
It's not the best. Look, the bottom screen's not showing. So, okay, it's showing now. So, that's better. Okay, the bottom screen's not too visible, so this is hard to record with on this tablet. So sorry, you probably won't see most of the game. Unless I just lift it up a tiny bit and play it like this. And we're against Gemeni Storm. So let's get right into it and be as quick as I can. So yeah, let's get it. And I'm going to just feint around him. Basically it's a football game, so it's skills, and I completely failed that. So I'm going to have to get my defence a bit quicker. They're going to wreck me. That's not very nice.
They will wreck you. Basically guys, Harry's playing a story mode. When I do my thing with Firestorm, I'll just be playing games. We've already completed that story for like 3 years I've been doing it. Yeah.
So let's use punch. Oh, they scored. That's a problem. Oh well, at least I get to start with the ball again.
Yeah. What doesn't help is you don't have your ace striker, Axel.
Yeah. And they are wrecking me, yeah.
He had a movement.
The speed is phenomenal.
Why didn't you have any 2B?
No. And he even said that he'd save the next one. So this isn't going too well, guys.
No, it isn't.
But yeah, so I'm gonna try and do as well as I can. Probably fail dramatically though.
Yeah. Basically though, Harry's going to be doing the story mode games and I'm going to be doing competition routes with like Mr. Venturin and stuff like that. So.
But eventually when we've done both games, we'll probably move on to some different games.
Yeah.
Because this is a gaming channel. So.
Yeah, DS gaming channel. And Wii and then maybe Xbox.
Yeah.
I'll probably be doing DS all the way, most of Inazuma 11.
Okay, so as you can see, they've wrecked me 10-0 and I had no choice.
Time and your ace strike is finally here.
Woohoo! If you don't know, his sister or something had an accident and she was in hospital, so that's why he wasn't here.
Yeah, he was visiting his sister after he beat the football frontier. Click that. Yep, down, that one. So yeah guys, this is what Harry's like first time playing the story mode. Because he's playing on my game for now.
Thing is though, my fingers will be getting in the way just because it's quite a small screen and it's quite hard to actually see the screen because it's quite bright in here. It's not the best lighting.
use that light.
Okay, the not audio will probably be better now as well.
Yeah, it will be.
It's not the best quality, I don't think, on here. So no, it's not.
It's not the best quality, but it's the best we can do for now. Whilst
Currently, here it is.
I have a camera, but it's not working, and Harry, I don't think, has a camera.
I do, but it doesn't record video. With audio.
And because I don't have a computer right now, I can't edit my videos.
So I'll be doing the editing, I guess.
Yeah, probably.
This video won't be edited though, because it's kind of in a rush.
Yeah, this is a rough video, just because we wanted to try out
My skills. Okay, and I'm completely getting wrecked, like you said, but there's nothing I can do about it.
Yeah, it's just part of the story, Harry.
But then everything probably will get better.
Eventually.
Such a bully.
Yeah.
Such a bully. You probably can't even see the screen properly. So I'll probably...
It's quite bright.
So I'll probably re-record this video at home at some point.
You should be able to see the screen better now. So, yeah.
Yeah, it's only really this screen you need to see, the bottom screen, the touch screen, but the top one's just saying the score and how much I've got left in the game.
For Harry's version, he'll be using a DSi, I'll be using a 2DS, and I'll probably be playing the new Inazuma 11 games. If when Galaxy comes out, I will do a recording for that. And because those games you need to only record the top screen, it'll be easier for me to record. Because the bottom screen is absolutely...
Oh, he's done him!
Yeah. Use it to tier. Inazuma break.
Inazuma break. It's actually hard for me to see what's going on the screen right now. I have to go and sort out my brightness because I'm pretty sure it's quite low. What?
He just stops here. Ow. So yeah.
So his move didn't even work. Moves usually score.
Well, he's an alien, so...
It's gonna stop it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the aliens.
Yeah, you're battling aliens.
Oh, Gemini. That means they're two-faced. What? It's funny how it's Japanese and they have really bad English accents.
Yeah, because he's made in England. You can't skip. Damn it.
So, that was just a little kind of
Cutscene.
Cutscene of what's going on.
We lost.
Well, I guess this is just a sneak peek of what's going to be going on this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!